This section heading is called Provisioning Other Nodes. So as it stands right now, we currently have an SSH session established from the client to the master, and our master is configured for fully distributed operation. However, the other nodes within the cluster are not. Now, the way that we're going to essentially configure them for fully distributed as well is we're going to run these setup scripts that are contained within them. So the way that we're going to run those setup scripts is through the SSH session from the master. So now coming over to the terminal, we're going to type SSH with the -T. So this -T option is going to enable us to execute commands on a remote host through an SSH session. So the first host that we're going to do this on is going to be support at slave1, and then the command that we're going to execute is going to be lab03 and then slave1. So we're calling this a command, but essentially this is our setup script. So now we're going to be prompted for a password. So this isn't for the SSH session, this is for the privileges to actually execute the script. So now what this is doing is it's executing all of the steps that we did on the master. So it's doing everything from a script. And once it completes, then it's going to terminate the session and then return you to a prompt. So now to provision slave 2, I'm going to hit the up arrow key and I'm just going to change these 1s over here to a 2. And now for snapshot. So I'm going to hit the up arrow key once again, and this is going to be the script sec and n, and then the host is going to be snapshot. Provisioning complete.